Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to view the unread emails first in your Gmail inbox. So as you can see, I'm on my primary tab as of the moment, and my emails aren't really organized. So the first one is read, and then the third one is opened already, and then we have another unread email. So if you want to fix that and view the unread emails first so you can easily navigate or you can focus on the emails that you haven't opened yet, then what you have to do is to just click the gear icon, which can be found at the upper right corner of your screen. So if you click this icon, so this serves as your settings, and if you click that, then an overlay will show up. So what you have to do is to just scroll a little bit downwards and you will see the default part. This is under the inbox tab. So currently we are using default. So what you have to do is to just click the third option, which is the unread first. So just click that and wait for it to load. So as you can see, the first portion of my primary tab is just all the unread emails. So over here would be everything else. So this is everything that I have opened already. So yes, this helps in organizing your inbox better. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more videos.